and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Today I am sharing an Aldi, Walmart, and Sam's grocery haul with you guys. I am also going to get my refrigerator good and cleaned out and then restocked with some fresh fruits and vegetables ready to grab and go. Hope you guys are having a good one. Let's get into the video. Robbie stopped at Sam's on his way home from work, and he picked up this big pack of chicken. Sunday is his birthday lunch, and it's my turn to cook, so we're going to do barbecue grilled chicken, and I'll probably walk you guys through that. He got a big bag of plums. I could not wait to have some of those. Some yummy looking blueberries. They didn't have my hint waters, so he got these. We'll try those and see how those are, but he got me a case of these, and I'm so excited. Do you guys remember these from the 90s? We used to run track, and after practice, we would stop at this gas station and get a clearly Canadian drink. It wasn't healthy at all, but it's what we did, and so I used to love these. I'm super excited to have some. All right, I'm going to show you guys my grocery haul. I'm going to start over here with Aldi. We got some tater tots, some steak fries, cucumbers, raspberries, some green peppers, lemons. I'm going to cut up and put in water. A flatbread pizza to put in the freezer in case Emily wants it sometime. Zucchini, banana, cantaloupe, some Parmesan encrusted tilapia, a couple of things of organic grass-fed beef, and a top brown steak that I'm going to fix one night for mine and Robbie's dinner. And then over here I have Walmart. I have several containers of Bob Evans because, one, I like to have these on hand as a side dish for dinners, certain dinners that I fix. And then also I am cooking. It's my turn to cook Sunday dinner, and it's Robbie's birthday dinner. And so I'm going to be fixing some twice-baked mashed potatoes. So I'm cheating a little bit, but these are really good. Some sour cream, some jalapenos. I'm going to do some jalapeno corn casserole as well. Some green onions, some more of these whips. I only got the orange creamsicle and the key lime because those are actually the only ones that I really, really like. So got some more of the whips, some chicken, some ribs, baby back ribs, some pasta. I'm going to do pasta macaroni slaw salad. Couple of things of ice cream. These help my throat when my throat gets really scratchy, and since I buy the little packs, I don't overindulge, so helps me a little bit. Some apple cider vinegar. I have this and a couple other things over here because I'm going to do something for Robbie that he's standing over there. I'm not going to say. It's a surprise, but I'll show you guys later. Some jalapeno Triscuits, ranch, barbecue. We're having barbecue grilled chicken, so I use this and add some other stuff to it, but again, I'll show y'all later. Some mayonnaise, some bacon for the twice-baked potatoes, butter, some cream corn, cauliflower. I'm going to drizzle these up with some cheese and bake those in the oven. Some more of the popcorn, hush puppy mix, Worcestershire. What is it? Horseradish. Horseradish. Some spicy brown mustard. And then some non-food items. I have a turkey baster. I have a thing I need that for. Some stainless steel scrubbers. Some of these mammoth sunflowers, because I'm going to plant these next to my cucumbers so that they can act as a trellis. Some of Robbie's contact solutions, some tiny rubber bands, Q-tips, deodorant, and Ambisol. Oh, and I want to do my nails later. So that is all of this week's groceries. We ended up doing one more Aldi order because there were a few things I still needed, forgot to get, blah, blah. So I ended up getting some more cucumbers because we have really been eating through the cucumbers. I needed some bread. I got some more steak. This is not what I ordered. This is a substitution, but it should work okay. I realized what I got the first time wasn't enough, so I ordered more. I needed some more cilantro and some more tomatoes for another batch of homemade salsa. Microwave bacon for sandwiches. Grapes. We go through grapes like crazy. I love these things when they're cold, and I've been craving them, so I just went ahead and ordered that. And then I ordered some more zucchini, and that is finally the last of our grocery order. Our refrigerator had become a cluttered mess. It was full of leftovers, things that we needed to toss, and still good things that needed to be eaten, but we were eating them because, we couldn't see them, couldn't get to them. We just really didn't realize what we had in the refrigerator. So I wanted to get in here, take everything out, get it good and wiped down and cleaned up. I don't know what the sticky stuff was in the back of the refrigerator where we keep our drinks, but that was, things needed to be taken care of in this refrigerator. So I'm going to get it good and wiped down, get it clean, get out all the expired food tossed, and then I'm going to organize it, get it put back together, and then I will know what we have. I'm going to get the fruits and vegetables clean, ready to grab and go. And so this is what I'm doing right now. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Turn it up, we Now that I have everything organized and cleaned up in the refrigerator, I'm going to take all of the produce. I do put a few things back in the refrigerator, but I get it out here in just a minute. You'll see. I'm going to get all of my produce washed, chopped up, all the things that needs to be done so that it is easy to grab and go and eat out of the refrigerator. We've been having a lot of like snacky lunches. We'll get some of those turkey meat sticks, a thing of yogurt. We'll get some fruits and vegetables and things like that, and we'll just kind of nibble. And that's kind of been what our lunches have been. And even sometimes if Robbie gets home late from work, that's what his dinner is. So it's really good for us to go ahead and have these things ready to just grab and go.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like
That's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It feels very good knowing that the refrigerator is nice and cleaned out. All of the fruits and vegetables are ready to grab and go. I know exactly what's in the refrigerator, exactly what needs to be used up, and I can easily plan my meals now. So I'm very grateful to have this done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love you to subscribe. Come back and hang out with me some more. At the end of this video, I will have another video up on the screen that you can tap on and go back and watch after this one. Until next time, guys, I will see y'all later.
give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah.